In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Discord forum channels. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized place for topic-based conversations that are easy to follow and simple to manage. First, head to your Discord server. Look to the top left of the app where your server name appears. Click the server name to open the server menu. This is your central control panel for anything related to the server structure. From that menu, choose Create Channel. This is where you decide what kind of space you want to add. You'll see several channel types, but for this tutorial, select Forum. Forum channels are designed for organized discussions. Instead of one continuous chat, they let members start separate posts under a shared topic, which keeps conversations tidy and searchable over time. Now, give your new forum channel a clear, descriptive name. Think about what the channel is for, and name it so members instantly understand its purpose. Short, specific names work best and help reduce confusion as your server grows. Once you're happy with the name, click Create. That's it. Your forum channel is now live. With the channel created, it's time to organize it in your server's list. On the left sidebar, find your new forum channel. Click and drag it to position it where it makes the most sense for your community. If your server uses categories, drop it into the category that fits its topic, like community, support, or announcements. This simple step helps members find the right place to post, and it keeps your server from feeling cluttered. If you're managing a large server, consider grouping forum channels together near related text or voice channels, so everything a member needs is in one area. Consistent placement makes navigation faster for everyone. Take a moment to glance at the channel after moving it. Make sure it looks right in the list and that the name stands out just enough without being confusing. Clean, logical organization goes a long way in keeping discussions productive. And that's all there is to it. You clicked your server name, created a new channel, chose forum, named it, and then dragged and dropped it into the right spot. With these quick steps, you've set up a structured space where conversations stay on topic and important information is easy to find later. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly organized Discord forum channel.